Morning, everyone. Monday morning. We have news at 9:45, so I'm going to wait. And I'm obviously not at work because that's why I'm recording on Monday morning. Um, I'm not feeling too good, so we stayed home. So we're going to try to make some money while we're not feeling good, and let's get it. Also want to say thank you for 30 subs. Man, we're trying to get to 50, then 100, 200. We're getting there. Slowly but surely, every step of the way. But once 9:45 hits, I will be back, and hopefully we can get a setup. I'm going to try and take a long because this whole day we are in an uptrend, but I feel like the one time I take a long is uh
Order submitted.
it's gonna reverse. So let's see here. If it breaks, bro, we can see what happens. Yeah, this risk, bro. Risk is not good. Fuck that. Unless we retract. I don't even know, bro. I don't like the risk. I don't like it. This candle would need to turn green. EMAs are crossed. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. But we're in such a big uptrend. I'm willing to take this. Now the risk looks a little bit better.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order canceled.
Yeah, this is the only time I'll ever accept going for a long when EMAs cross because we are in such a strong uptrend. So that's what we're doing. If we break this high here, I'll put it at break even. Stalls at the 07. The market's reading my mind. There we go. All right, we got it.
Target filled.
Nice trade for the day. Good shit. We'll just find another one. All right, next trade. I had to record this one on my laptop because I had the router guy come in my house because our router has been kind of messing up lately. So I had to take this trade on my laptop and connect it to some other internet that I carry with me. So here it is. This was the second trade of the day of March 24th. Let's skip through it real quick. I was taking a short because trend changed. It's too zoomed in on my NinjaTrader, but if you look over here on the right, trend changed kind of. We hit our high. That's a given. EMA's crossed. Broke the trend line, so we were looking for a second entry short, and we did get it because this bar closed. Let me fast forward. It wasn't that good of a signal bar, and let me pause it real quick. This trade on the left where you see these other two boxes, the 3 points and then the 3.50, I missed this trade. I was eating and completely missed it, but we got redemption because of the mistrade. This trade did work out, but the only thing is this signal bar was really bad. It was a really bad signal bar, but you're going with the flow and trendline rules, price action rules, you follow it. So let me skip through it where I got filled. Bam, right here. Play stop. Target was placed perfectly. Cool thing is, the reason why I always kind of put my stop loss a tick under or above my entry point, if we have a second entry long and second entry short happening at the same time, like we have here. So if you look on the left of the NinjaTrader chart, this new high was created, and then bam, first entry long, because this candle ticked above this previous candle's high, made a second low, bam. Even though this bar was red, if you can see, that's a second entry long, so you have dummies going long. So their stops are where? Right under this low. That's when I place a stop loss a tick away from my entry point because that's like our safe zone. Since we took out the long stops here, we were safe to put our stop tick under our entry point, and we were letting the trade ride. Because once they take these out, it's wraps for them. We shoot down. So we'll fast forward. And so yeah, look right here. Right here, bam, we broke that low, so the stops got taken out, and now we were in the clear to shoot down. Let's fast forward real quick. Here we go. That was an A+ trade right there, in my opinion. Same thing with the other one that we missed. I think it got us out right here. Right here? Yeah, right here.
Target filled.
Bam. And that's all I got. 2 trades this week because I got a notification saying my account has been suspended for some reason, and I have no idea why. So I'm forced to like close this account and then make another NinjaTrader account. Dumbest thing ever. So I could only trade 2 days this week. But that's all I got. We made 505. Pretty good. My opinion, extra 500 bucks. Here's all my trades. That's it. Oh, for the week, show you for the week. 365. That's it. So I'll see you guys when I have my account back up and running.